in a school. A march a go in. Monday morning I go back out of school and I see little pit them a go in. My mind run pan Jayden, like me see Jayden in front of me. And me I say, but come to think of it. Melissa come, me see when legend come up, cause him. Melissa come and gone. And Melissa victim them wash way rotten out. And who alive still a fight for life. And we know well when me see me do the video, people tell me say people still a lobby. And me as a principal get suspension from the school. But what happened to Jayden? The police them not give no briefing. Everybody a live their normal life and the little boy gone. So you know why we don't stop talk about it? And why me not stop highlight it? It's not a little boy where he go somewhere and people take him and him not come back. Or him go somewhere and he not come back and stranger take him away. A little boy Jayden missing because one little baby it broke. And when the little baby it broke, everybody upset with him. And they send him go to school. And from him go to school, a be different story. Cousin who never cook curry chicken in the morning. Who never see my go down road and people are call him and in a run. Who never see my run down in a bush. Who never see my walk through plaza. Who never see him I say I go meet cousin. Who never say he left phone. Who never say when the hospital. A bare conflicting and misleading story you hear. And no, if stranger even know what happened to Jayden, family members know what happened to Jayden. And the police them where they out here not doing enough to find Jayden or to make somebody talk which part the little boy there. One little picnic can't missing so in a, I don't know. I don't like yes, you know, so I send my son go river last night, not never happened at the house. And then can't find him, so one man down a river take him up. And one man up with drive past and take him up. All of who in care, who say never go to hospital and who say need a steal baby, and who say never inject the baby, and who say you can't hear nothing. Come true legend, company live, you may wait pan. Alright. You can't hear nothing at all with Jayden there. And Jayden is not alive. Only God himself could have come down and come tell me say Jayden alive. Jayden wash out and dash out and wash we gone in a storm. Cause anyway them bury me wash we. Them the amount of water they will come a country or a sea. In wash we gone. Nobody can find him.
Aunty, what go on?
Good night, my brother. We are talking about Jayden Paya.
Me there that. Me say Planka Nation, good night, good night. But I don't hear me, me tired man, but you know we have to come on and tune in. Boy, Aunty, with this Jayden story, let me tell you something. You see, Jamaica system, and I'm not talking about the system as if.
Guys, like up the live, please. Yes.
You see, Jamaica system, not talking system like just police, you know. But I'm talking about the humanitarian aspect of it, and I'm also talking about the village. Village simple means community, family, every single soul, school, every single person has a part to play as it regards to safeguarding our nation, vulnerable kids. And the system has failed. Failed meaning that people, and yeah, I understand the people that go through them crises where they must say, oh boy, the whole storm and this and that. But them could have still advocate for Jayden, right? But because of the whole storm, the storm divert people mind from the whole Jayden situation, where nobody is no longer talking about Jayden. And then when you look, the family feels as if now they're in a comfortable zone. The family feels as if now they're okay. It's like watching How to Get Away with Murder, right? Where their mind is very calm, more they're more relaxed. If people them not depend them like how when it first came out, how we used to depend them and we used to deny them back and we used to do this and we used to do that. The support system that was there for Jayden from the initial start. As I'm telling you, most of these people, they're doing it for clout. right? The support system that was there for Jayden in the initial stage, where they know. You understand what I say? Yeah, I understand as what people say, they're divert as it regards to Hurricane Melissa and getting reliefs for families, friends, and other parishes that have been inundated. However, the support system had gone from Jayden completely. You understand what I say? When we talk about the support system, I'm talking about how the police officers are actually investigating it, how the government officials are coming out and not coming out to give statements as it regards to Jayden, how cases are being progressed, how the police commission, the SSP for the area giving us update. Is Jayden has been located? Who is being questioned as regards to Jayden disappearance? What about the family member who we would have suspected that would have done the crime as a where is that person? Is that person back in Jamaica? How are you guys treating this case? Is this case been treated as a homicide? Has it been treated as a suspected murder? What is it? What is actually being done? Is there an active investigation as well? You understand what I say? Is the case closed? What's happening? There's nothing, nobody to tell us what's happening. There's no police officer, there's no commanding officer for the area to come out and let us know that, okay, but know that you guys might think that we're no longer thinking about Jayden, but the case is still active. You understand me? I say, what is happening? There's nothing. There's nobody who is saying anything. You understand me? I say, and then when you look, it seems as if there is no defense for that little boy, no family member, separate and apart from the mother who they said is mentally ill. You understand me? I say, there is no family member coming out and say, let us get a search party. Let us go here. Let us still go there. Maybe we'll feel a little bit lucky because the flood and whatever, so maybe something can wash up. Where are all these family members when we just started the live and we're speaking about Jayden? Every single, there's my imaginary cousin, there's imaginary uncle, imaginary sister, imaginary friend. Where are they now? You understand what I mean? I say, where are these persons? No, these persons are no longer nowhere to be found. You had cousins who were bouncing from life to life. They said them a family. Which part then they know? We know, I'll know. Me not say one more them, From Shan go down, I don't say one more them, because guess what? If I love that little boy that much, right? There's nothing or no one can silence me that long that I can't speak of Femi and Femi relative. There's nothing that nobody can say. And if you love that little boy that much as a family member, and you had absolutely nothing to do with whatever is happening, why, as you as an auntie who Jayden was in your care, who was at your house, he had your premises on his day of disappearance, why are you not advocating for that little boy? It seems as if you family know what happened. You understand what I say? Because if you don't know, reminder auntie, if me don't know what happened, you understand me? I say the first thing me I go do, me still go want to know which part my little nephew there, You understand me? I say me still go want to know which part family look, even though the whole country they blame me and they say, yo, we know what happened, If I had absolutely no idea of what took place, the first thing that me I go do, once time pass and me realize I'm not hear nothing about Jayden, me go get a search team and me go back on the hunt and me go try find Jayden. You understand me? I say these people would feel Jayden as a village. We're feeling our children too much as families, and not only the family members, but we are talking about the neighbors. We are talking about the humanitarian. We are talking about the CDCs in this community. We are talking about these community activists. We are talking about all these people, We are talking about the big artists. Until at this point, might as well get everybody involved. We are talking about the artists them. We are talking about the TV hosts. We are talking about the radio host them. We are talking about every single soul. You understand what I mean? I say, because it can happen to any one of our children. It can happen to any one of we. You understand what I mean? I say, and too often people they keep silent.
J Progress talk about it every time.